guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you my latest design team project for Country Craft Creations. And I received Carta Bella's Flower Garden in the mail. And let me show you what I made. So I made this folio, and it is huge. I didn't intend on it becoming so big, but it did. So this measures about a 7 1/4 wide by 9 tall, and it is about 2 1/4 inches deep, the spine. Although I am thinking the spine probably should have been a little bigger, but I suppose it depends on how much you think you're going to stuff yours. If you think you're going to stuff it bigger, I would probably add a 1/2 inch to it maybe, just to give yourself a little bit more room. I actually redesigned an album from a few years ago for specifically that reason, and I added a few new elements to it, so you had something else new. However, my original idea to make the spine bigger, and then I gave you some more elements, I did the same thing I did originally, is I made it too chunky. So you might want to just back out a few things, but overall, I think it's pretty good. It will hold a lot of photos. So let me real quick just walk you through what it was that I used for this. So again, I used the Carta Bella Flower Garden collection. This is the sticker sheet, and you can see what's left. I also used a few of the brads from that collection and some Prima flowers, and these are the Watercolor Floral. And I also added, it might be kind of hard to, well, you can kind of see it, I think, some of the Fantasy Fibers. They just add another element, a little sparkle, and I kind of like that. It looks really pretty. So let's, oh, and I also used seam binding, which this matched perfectly to the paper collection that Tamara sent me. And then you can see the little brads, and then the chipboard embellishments that come with the brads and the sticker sheet and the flowers. And then from the sticker sheet, I added this cute little telephone sticker. I really like that. I wanted to try to design something around this. It just didn't end up happening, but I love the little telephone booth. And then the back side over here, I added a little sticker to the bottom, kind of like a little signature right there. So let's go ahead and take a peek. So it opens up like this. I did try to keep the embellishments. I used more of the flatter ones of the flowers. There was one flower, it was a rose, and it was really thick, and it wouldn't have really worked very well on the cover to keep it as flat as possible. So anyway, these two sides mirror image each other. So it opens up into 4 sections. It will be hard to get it all on the camera, but you can see right here. So I'm going to close this side down and walk you through over here on this side. So over here on the first section, it has a little belly band with a photo mat. You can go ahead and add some extra photo mats and stuff underneath to keep everything closed like that. Or this right here, this photo mat is just enough space where you can tuck it under and keep everything, keep this whole page section closed. But anyway, it opens up like this. So you open up, room for a photo. And I'm going to keep running out of room here. So right here you have a nice little corner pocket, so you can go ahead and add photos. And then on this side here, it's a set of stacked pockets. So it does go up even further, like that. And then they just come out. And then it opens up like this. So right here you have a whole spread where you have room to tuck photos into the pockets. If you want, you can just go ahead and keep loose photos down there. Out of all the cut apart cards, I went ahead and made photo mats with them. And they go like that, and then these 2 flaps will keep everything closed, and then you just close it all back up, just like that. And then you come over to the second page here, or second section, and another set of some stacked pockets. adding some of the stickers, and then this flips open right here like that, so you have room to go ahead and add a photo layout, photo spread, and then this opens this way. So again, 2 more photo mats. And then right here, this is a different little unique pocket, opens up like this. So you have that, and then flip it over. So you have kind of a half page with a pocket, and that's just to add some design to the pages to give it some interest. And then those go back in there. And then these ones on this side, just like that. And then you have a shallow pocket, and this one goes the longer way. So again, with that whole design. And then this flips open, along with some more photo mats in here. And then over here opens up, and then in the back section you have a pocket to go ahead and add more photos. But as you can see right now, if you were to hold it like this, you have a nice layout here of photos. So it gives a nice look to all the photos. You can see them all. And then we close all back up. And then we just go ahead and start back over. So over here, so again, the stacked pockets like this. So as you can see right here, this is how this looks, and they flip opposite of each other like that. And then again, like this. So then if you have photos and stuff, you have a nice layout this way if you're opening the book like this. And then they go like this. And then you can go up like here. So lots of fun ideas to go ahead and have your photos tell a story. And then over here, same thing again, opens up. Just like this with the stacked pockets. You have them there, there, and down here. And then right here, again, just like that. Nice room for lots of photos and loose photos. And then everything gets contained right inside like this. This first. And then this goes right underneath. And if you want to go ahead and add extra to keep it closed. And then it all closes back up. And you have your little tie to go ahead and keep it all closed. So if you do stuff it, you have a way to keep that closed just like that. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough. The tutorial will be coming out soon, and I will leave you a link below to all the supplies that I used from Country Craft Creations. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.